welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, guys, I'm gonna show you how to earn a decent money by using the liquidity provider that I will explain in this video. So guys, stay tuned so as you can learn how to do so. The first things you need to have in order to participate in this liquidity provider, first of all, you need to have a metamask wallet or trust wallet. Then you need to have a BUSD token wallet, so you need to have a BUSD wallet, and then you need to have some of the crypto token that will transfer it on BUSD. So without wasting the times, let's start our software. We will earn a decent money every day by just investing some of your BUSD. For instance, some investors will have an opportunity to earn over 100 USD a day. But in my case, I just invested like 100 USD and I earned 3 BUSD per day. So guys, to get started, as I told you now, that you need to have a BSC wallet. The link to join the dripbusdlp liquidity I provided in the description. So guys, check out the description. You see the link to join this program. So the first step will be the link. I put it on description. Then you need to search. Yeah, this is for metamask. So once you click the link, you will be in this area. So you connect your wallet first. For me, I already connected my wallet, and this is for the user who using a metamask wallet. And if we are using just wallet, because it's also quite simple. In my case, I'm using just wallet. So you will go in the main button. So once the website is opened, you will click on Dapps. Then you will paste the link. But in my case, I already pasted the link. As I told you, the link is on description. Yeah, this is my account. I already created it. and I still earn a decent money. So after that, the next step, so once you are funding your BUSD and copy the link in your metamask or trust wallet, the website, new website will pop up, that means will open. Then you click in the area lighten drip revelation. Then you click here in drip revelation. And this side you will see the drip revelation over here. And the next step, you need to put the amount of USD you need to invest. For instance, 100 USD or 500 USD. It is your choice. You can choose an amount of money you need to invest, but such money need to be in form of BUSD, as you can see. So after this step, after clicking on drip configuration and take the total of BUSD you need to use, then you will click, you will enable BUSD and confirm. Then you will click on supply. So after that, you will click on confirm supply. Then you will go on Drip Garden Pro and enable the transaction. Then you will start click on plant. Then you will confirm. So remember that at the process of confirming and planting those Drip Garden, you need to have a sum of BUSD and you need to have BNB, sum of BNB in your wallet. This will use as a gas fee, as you know. Without a gas fee, you can't complete this transaction. So after following those procedures, we'll be able to make a decent money by using Drip Garden liquidity and earn some decent money from there. As you can see now in my account, I earn some of money per day, and I already withdrawn, but currently I have 14 USD and I get 3 USD per day. So this amount I can withdraw it. If I want to withdraw this amount of money, I will click on harvest seeds. But if I want to replant or to increase my earning over in the animal farm, I will click on plant seed or compound. So guys, this is a step how to earn a decent money by using Drip or BSC Garden liquidity provider. As I told you prior, the link is on the description, so just click on the description of this video. You will see the link to join this liquidity provider. Guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel so as you can get the different ways to make money and learn. And if you have a question, just write it in your comment, or you can join our community in Telegram and Facebook. Then you press your question there, then I will answer all your questions. Guys, thank you for watching.